Here's the truth. Every top athlete has a coach, not because they're weak, not because they don't know their sport, but because they want to play at the highest level. So why should business be any different? If you're serious about growing, scaling, or even preparing to exit your business, you need someone in your corner pushing you, guiding you, and holding you accountable. Running a business can be one of the loneliest jobs out there. You're carrying the weight of decisions, managing people, chasing cash flow, and trying to plan for the future, all while putting out fires every single day.
You don't know what you don't know, and you need a resource that can help to keep you, first of all, plan the right track, and then help keep you on the right track. And Phil's been, he's been a godsend for us, really.
A business coach helps you step out of the chaos and work on your business, not just in it. We give you clarity on your vision, help you build systems that free up your time, and create a team that performs without you having to babysit every single move. And don't just take my word for it.
Positive thinking all the time.
But when you do take that next step, you know he's got your back. You know that you can ring him anytime and ask and say, do you think I'm making the right decision here? Can we discuss this?
The best part? We hold you accountable. It's easy to set goals. It's harder to hit them, and a coach makes sure that you do. Now, not every coach is the right fit. Just like you wouldn't hire any random tradie off the street, you need to ask the right questions. So the questions you need to ask include, have they walked the walk? A real coach should have business experience, not just theory. Do they challenge you? The right coach won't just pat you on the back, they'll push you outside of your comfort zone. Do they bring a proven system? You don't want guesswork. You want strategies that have been tested across industries. Are they aligned with your goals? Whether you're scaling up, freeing yourself from the day-to-day, or planning to exit your business in 3 to 5 years, your coach should be committed to your vision.
I still think the biggest obstacle in my business's success was me, because I kept getting in my own way. I'd spoken to a few coaches before, but after I spoke to Phil the first time, it was like, yeah, I definitely can work with Phil. We just kind of connect.
And you know what? It's not just about strategy. It's about connection. The right coach gets you, your industry, and your dreams. And here's what it looks like in real life.
So the systems that we have implemented with Phil has increased my time at home, increasing the efficiency and productivity that we do during work, allowing more time at home, more income.
Most business owners don't realise just how isolated they are until they start working with a coach. When you're the one at the top, there's no one to challenge your thinking or hold up the mirror. A coach gives you that outside perspective, somebody who isn't caught up in the daily grind of your business and can see the blind spots that you miss. That's where breakthroughs happen, because you finally get the clarity and accountability that you can't find on your own.
I can't speak highly enough, really, of Phil, because I always get the feeling that Phil actually really cares as well. So it's not just a business transaction, which, you know, is important to us as well.
Time is the one thing that you can't buy back, and too many business owners waste years trying to figure it out themselves. A business coach helps you shortcut the trial and error by bringing proven strategies that work right across all industries. Instead of second-guessing every decision, you get the confidence to move faster with certainty. That speed can mean the difference between just surviving and actually building a business that runs profitably without you. With the right coach, you'll shift from being an overworked operator to a confident owner. You'll gain clarity, structure, momentum, instead of feeling like you're pushing uphill every day. You'll actually start to enjoy the business that you've built.
Hang on a second, this is what I need for my own business. This is how I'm going to take myself from being basically a sole operator to that next level. At the end of the day, if you know what your goal is and you really do want to achieve it, for me, I needed somebody to guide me through that and to be able to basically work beside me and keep me.
So if you're sitting there thinking, yeah, I've been stuck in the grind too long, maybe it's time to stop trying to do it all on your own. A business coach could be the difference between staying stuck or breaking through to the next level.
So if I didn't have someone like a Phil, I'd just spend all my day running around doing the fighting fires, and the direction of the business would just get completely lost. I would recommend Phil to other business owners. I do see it as an investment, and I wouldn't be doing it if I didn't think I was getting the value out.
I'd love to have a chat with you, hear about your business, and show you how coaching can get you results. Book a free strategy session today, and let's start running your business dreams or turning your business dreams into reality.